This is a door cup installation. This is one of the pre-made kits off of Computer Cut. This is a 2022 Ford Escape. When I do these, I do them with just straight distilled or filtered water. Clean hands and wet hands always, just as like you were tinting. Get it centered in the cup, and I'll usually take a card and lock it down, and I'll go a little bit at a time. You can also use your hand too, but I prefer the card on most of them. Then you can take your towel. Just wipe it down to ensure that you don't have any bubbles, and you're set to go.